today I'm going to share with you another yummy and very easy recipe, that is of mutton kadhai. So let's begin with the ingredients. I have around 500 grams of mutton with bone. I'll be using 3/4 cup of ghee, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, half cup of yogurt, 3 large tomatoes. I'll be using around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 4 to 5 green chilies, 3 bay leaves small. If you have a larger one, you can use only one. 2 small pieces of cinnamon sticks, salt as to taste, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half teaspoon of haldi powder or turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of freshly roasted and grounded coriander, 1.5 teaspoon of freshly roasted and grounded zeera, half teaspoon of chili flakes, half teaspoon of red chili. I have taken 2 chilies and I have chopped them very finely. Stems of coriander. What I have done, I have removed the coriander leaves and I have chopped the coriander stems. It's around 1 tablespoon. So let's begin with the procedure. So in order to start making the kadhai, what I'm going to do is I have taken a wok, added the meat and added the water. I'll just give this meat a boil. Now this mutton has been boiled for one time. I will just discard the water and add the fresh water. Now I will repeat this step of boiling the water and discarding it for 3 times, and then we will proceed for the final cooking of the kadhai. Now after discarding the water for 3 times, I'm adding fresh water to the mutton. Along with the water, I'm adding ginger garlic paste. I will add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, bay leaves and 2 cinnamon sticks. I will also add salt at this stage. Now we will cover the lid and let the mutton get tender around 70 to 80%. Okay, so now my mutton is almost 70% tender. I'm adding the tomatoes on top of the mutton. I will add some green chilies at this stage also. I will simply slit 2 green chilies and I will put them like this. These are a bit spicy green chilies. I will again cover the lid and let the tomatoes cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. We will check whether the skin of the tomatoes are soft. See, it's very soft and you can remove it like this. I will simply crush these tomatoes. Now I will cook the mutton along with the tomatoes till the water from tomatoes dry, and then I will start adding the masala and ghee. Now our masala is drying. I will start adding the spices: coriander, cumin, red chili flakes. I will mix. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of ghee. Now I will fry the masala on high flame. I will add my secret ingredient at this stage, that is coriander stems. Okay, so we have fried our kadhai for another 5 to 10 minutes and I have added the yogurt. Now I will cover the lid and let the kadhai cook for another 10 minutes. Let's check on our kadhai. Still some water is there. I will just dry this water and in the end we will add the garam masala, butter and kasuri methi. Now this is the condition of our kadhai. After another cooking session of 10 minutes, all the ghee has been separated from the masala. I will add the garam masala at this point of time, some lemon juice, kasuri methi. After adding kasuri methi, I'll slow down the flame and I will cook for 2 to 3 minutes. I will add around 3 tablespoons of butter, garnish with some fresh coriander, julienne cutted ginger. I will add 2-3 green chilies as whole. Again, I will cover the lid in order to melt the butter. Our mutton kadhai is ready. Do try it and let me know your feedback in the comments. Thank you.